Can you see me?
No, ma'am, you are not visible.
You are also not visible. So I have clicked my camera once. Okay, now
Okay.
I must be visible to you. Am I?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I
Now
can see you.
you also do the same. Yes, now you are also visible. So you can see me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can see you. I can hear you as well.
Is my head in the frame or it's going out of the frame? Am I fully in the
No, no,
frame?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So good morning.
Very good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Would you mind introducing yourself?
Yes, yes, definitely, ma'am. Definitely.
Yeah, please.
So
We
let
are
me
meeting
introduce
for the
myself,
first
ma'am.
time. Yeah, we are meeting for the very first time. So I want that you introduce yourself first so that we can understand each other in a better way.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. So let me introduce myself. This is the Satyanarayan connecting to you from Agra city of Uttar Pradesh. And when it comes to my profession, I am a student of final year pursuing BA Bachelor of Art from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra. Yeah, that's all about me.
Oh, that's great. Wonderful. So you are a student at present, yes?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am.
Yes. Do you want me to introduce or you know about me?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. Why not? I am very curious to know about it. Yeah, about you.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So I am Manju Mishra, connecting to you from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. As far as my education is concerned, I am an MA and BEd. And after that, I started teaching. So I have been a dedicated teacher since 1990. And
So,
after teaching 31 years, I have taken retirement formally, but yes, still I'm a teacher. I'm teaching online and offline. And after retirement, I also started my YouTube channel to make myself busy and to impart whatever knowledge and whatever experience I have. Okay. And my hobbies are listen to music, then teach students, and very especially remain busy in gardening. And I have a family of 4 beautiful souls, my husband, my 2 children, and me. So altogether we are 4. That's all about me in short.
okay, I got to know about it. It's like very fantastic your introduction. And but I would like to know, ma'am, like what subject do you teach, ma'am?
Basically, I teach English, but yes, as per the need of school, at times we are given some other subjects also. So I used to teach even history and geography. Yes, but my main subjects are English literature and English language.
Okay, it's mean you are English teacher, isn't it?
I am an English teacher. Yeah.
Okay, great to know, ma'am. Great to know. I'm very happy for hear that. You know. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, like
Yes.
you are teaching in a government teacher, ma'am, or you are teaching in a private?
Yes. I am a convent teacher. Yes, I taught in 2 different convent schools. All right. But now I have stopped formally teaching in schools. Now I take my own classes, online tutor, you can say. So I'm taking classes these days. And yes, offline classes also I take.
Okay, okay,
So
okay, okay,
students
okay.
come to my place to learn this language, English language.
Okay, it's mean you have our institute right now.
Pardon? I could not
It's
hear
mean
you.
okay, it's mean you have our institute right now.
Yeah. You can
Yes.
say that. Yes.
In Lucknow, ma'am, in Lucknow.
Yeah, I am in Lucknow.
So may I know, ma'am, which place, ma'am, which place do you have our institute? Which place in Lucknow?
Lucknow, at my residence itself.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
All right. What else do you want to know from me?
Okay, yeah. So just I would like to know, ma'am, and I am also learner here. I want to improve my communication skills. So please suggest me something, ma'am. What should I do? What is like your
First,
help?
I want to know from you that what are you doing in order to enhance your skills? You must have started something doing. So whatever you are doing, out of that, I'll let you know that what else you can do. Okay. So let me know first that what are you doing?
Actually, I do practice. I do practice each and every day, 2 hours, 3 hours, like this, on audio call, on WhatsApp call. 2 hours, 3 hours every day. 2 hours, minimum 2 hours, maximum. I don't know. Sometimes I didn't calculate my time. Sometimes I have given my time like 3 hours, 4 hours, sometimes 5 hours to speak. With the people on audio call.
So
Yeah.
whom do you talk to?
Actually, ma'am, I have WhatsApp group. I have 2 or 3 WhatsApp group where I do practice.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So there, how many students together do you practice?
Actually, ma'am, I have like in that group the admin of from like the admin from Kerala. Yeah, yeah. So I do
Okay. Okay.
practice.
All right. All right.
Yeah, there is a
So
lots
2
of
to 3
students.
hours already you are practicing. There you must be given certain topic. On that topic everybody must be giving their point of view and their ideas. You also share your ideas there, is it that?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes we talk about our topic. Sometimes we normally we can talk like randomly. Yeah.
Okay, general conversation also, yes, in
Yes,
order to
ma'am.
get
Yes,
to
ma'am.
know each other. Okay, that's fine. So that's the best thing you already have started. If you have started speaking, yes, no matter once or twice, maybe in 1 hour, when you have a conversation of nearly 1 hour, 1 or 2 places you may make mistake. But once you have started speaking, then you will learn very nicely. Yes, it will not take much time. But the thing is, in order to speak correct English, yes, you need to know tenses, you need to have good vocabulary, yes, then
Yes,
only
ma'am.
you can, then only you can uh, uh, communicate well whatever you want to through your ideas. Yes, that's important. So for that, if you are into reading habit, you read books, and whenever you read books or even newspaper, the biggest source, because it's a kind of entertainment, at the same time it's very knowledgeable. So when you read newspaper, try to read English newspaper. Whatever words come across and you don't know that word, underline those words, write those words in a notebook, write their meanings. And to memorize those words, it's very important that you make sentences of those words of your own. Okay, in the newspaper the sentence must be something different, but using those particular words, make your own sentences. That's how those words will fix in your mind. So in a way you can improve your vocabulary, and once vocabulary is there, then you will be able to speak anything. Yes, yes, at
Yes,
times
ma'am.
this happens that sometimes if tenses concept is not very clear, then you can make mistake. But I think you have that much of knowledge. Do you? What do you say? Do you know tenses, or you find it difficult sometimes?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I find it difficult, but I know like
Sometimes.
yeah.
Yeah, you know which tense is to be used and how it is to be used, how to make negative and interrogative sentences out of that sentence. Do you know all these things?
Yes, ma'am. I have I have some problem, ma'am. Sometimes I make mistake. Yeah,
Yes, yes,
but I am
this
working on it.
yes. Please go ahead.
I'm working on it, ma'am. Actually I start to reading book. Actually, what happened, ma'am? I 4 or 5 days ago I went to for interview.
Okay.
Yeah, I for interview, but I crossed 2 interview, and after when I was enter in a third interview, that time he gave me some books for reading. So when I start to reading that book, I get stuck. I was not able to read that book. So he said me,
Okay.
yeah, he said me, please, you go. I will give you 1 or 2 weeks time. You just do practice of reading book. You are
Okay.
speaking well. There is no any problem. You are giving very good introduction of yourself as well as your family. So you are studying like you because of ma'am. I am thinking that reading or writing or speaking English is the both are is different.
Yes, yes, you are right. You are right. Reading
Because of,
comes by reading practice, yes, and speaking comes by speaking practice, yes. So reading is another thing. When all of a sudden, speaking part is whatever you are thinking, you are speaking, but you never know the book has been given to you has what kind of content. Do you know that or not? Which word will appear when? You are not aware of. So certain words
exactly.
you may find it difficult to pronounce that word, how to correctly pronounce that word. So that is different, and that will come if you continuously remain in this process, reading books, different books, story books, even if you read, that will help you a lot.
Yes, no, I'm working on it. When I came from interview, I start to like I commitment of myself. Just start to do practice of reading book. So I am working on it now. I'm working on it now. Like I do practice, 1 hours, 1.5 hours every day reading book for reading book.
That's very good,
Right
that's
now,
very good.
uh, because of
Yes.
them, I have seen, there is a lots of people they are studying in English medium school.
Yeah. Yes, yes, go ahead, go ahead. You are stuck. Hello, hello, hello,
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
hello. Somewhere you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
stuck. Yeah, somewhere you got stuck. I think maybe it's a network problem. Is it that?
Hello.
Hello.